Right, can you say hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to our day. A few weeks ago, I decided to join some stamp groups on Facebook, just to see how other people's collections are put together, just get some ideas. And I found this bloke that, the post that I saw, he said that he was taking down all his pictures of the stamps that he was selling because he was fed up with being like messed around and like asked to search for these certain stamps, and then he spent days getting them out, and then the person inquiring was just like, yeah, actually I don't want them, which is pretty awful in itself. But yeah, I managed to see pictures of the stuff that he was selling, and initially the stuff that I saw was a couple of butterflies and International Year of the Disabled or something like that, and some Walt Disney ones. Here's the Walt Disney ones. Oh, let me get the shine off of it. Here's the butterfly ones, and there was also these butterflies with like the special cancellation, and then the disabled ones was this one. And obviously there's somebody doing sign language, somebody painting a rainbow, somebody in a wheelchair, and then obviously there's somebody with a dog. So that clearly was like calling us. And whilst I was then talking to him, I then saw that he had like some loose butterflies. But I would just like to say he really did like go all out. I think he was looking for how many days? It was near on a week, wasn't it? And every day in the evening he'd come back saying, oh, I found these ones, did you want these as well, or whatever else. And in the end there was, how many kilograms? 519 kilograms? No, that'll be grams, wasn't it? Yeah, it's 0.519 kilograms, so 519 grams, which was a hefty amount of stamps. And initially there was the loose ones and a couple of other sheets that he had up for sale, the butterflies, which he was selling for 15. And we were like, that's really good. And then, like I said, he continued to look. He found like these postcard ones, but each postcard has got a butterfly on them, and then on the back they've got the stamp that goes with it with a special cancellation. And then there was another pack, and then with the International Year of the Disabled, he then found this first day cover, and then he found this first day cover, but it's got Braille on the envelope. And then he found postcards with the matching stamp with a special cancellation. And then he found another lot, but with just like a basic cancellation on it. And literally, he then found these postcards, and it's got the same, like, like a stamp on the back that matched the front. And then he found a bunch of other different stamps, which was pretty epic, all like butterflies and things. And then he found more. They're all butterflies, these ones. There's sheets behind it as well, but obviously I'm not going to get it all out. And there's these ones. These ones. These ones. Like from like different countries from around the world. And then there's these ones. These ones I have to get out because, well, the first two of this little lot I have to get out for you because they're pretty flippin' epic. So, there's this whole sheet. Let me get it the right way up for you. This whole sheet. And then, which is just adorable. Can I do it? Can I do it with my one hand? Is it gonna happen? Yeah. There's a miniature sheet, and even the cancellation is miniature. So just for some comparison, oh god, I can't pick the other one up now. That's big version, little version. How cute is that? I've never seen stamps that tiny. And then the last lot, which is also epic. I don't think it's going to show on here. Might have to get it out of the packet. I'll only get one sheet out. Because again, there's like multiple sheets. I'm not going to get any out at the minute. But I don't know if it's going to work. I think it is kind of. They're holographic. I don't think I've ever seen holographic stamps before. I don't think it's showing very well like that. Let me see if I can get it the other way. Yeah, I'm not sure how to show holographic stamps on camera, to be honest. Ah, there you go. You can kind of see a little bit on the flower behind. And I just want to say that all these extra ones that I've just told you about that he's searched for, found and put together for me, he charged £5. And on some of the packets there's the prices of what he was selling them, and on one packet, can you remember what it was, babe? Yeah, it was about £12 for that one lot, like little set, and yet he's charged me £5 for all of that. So altogether it was £20 for all of these stamps. And I'm just in shock. He then did it like recorded postage. When I sent him the money, I did round it up to the nearest pound for him, just because why not? It's fair, because the amount of effort he put into this, getting all the sets together and then getting it out within 24 hours, it was just amazing of him. So now I've got all of these to add to my collection, which I'm really excited about. And then because of V-Day, there's still more to come, but there's there was new like stamps for this year having been released. So there's these ones that are to like be used on just like ordinary letters, and then there's this in remembrance of the Second World War. Like these are just like different memorial bits. One is Hall of Names Holocaust History Museum in Jerusalem. One is Runnymede Memorial. The other is Plymouth Naval Memorial. And the last one is Rangoon Memorial, Myanmar. Don't know where that is. And it's got information on the back. And then the last one for what's arrived today, it actually comes with this like poster thing that's attached to it, and then it's got like these stamps as well, but these ones we won't use for like pen pal letters or anything. And then it's got like all this information on the back that kind of explains a little bit of what the stamps mean. This was only, oh, these two was part of the same pack. That was a presentation pack. I think altogether we ordered 5 or 6 different V-Day celebration stamps for our collection, but they've not arrived yet. It's literally just these two. But it's been one happy day for us both. Sophie with her baklava and me with stamps.
You're enjoying it too.
Yeah, I've never eaten it before, because every time Sophie like says she wants it for Christmas, I'm like, I'll find something else, like gingerbread or something like that, but actually it is quite nice.
Yeah.
Yes. So, next up, girls opening their Pets at Home parcel, but one's asleep there.
Situation.
And Dixie's in the garden, just like chilling out, taking in the area, sniffing the wind. So when she comes in, what?
Why did that sound so
I
funny?
don't know.
Sniffing the wind.
Normally it would be like sniffing the air.
I think that might be what it is.
She's laughing at me.
Yeah.
Um,
You made the sentence sound weird by using like an unusual combination of words.
oops.
Yeah.
So yeah, as soon as she comes in and she wakes up, we'll open the Pets at Home one. Yeah. Look how we're starting the day then. Dixie's adamant there's a toy down here. She's climbed up, she's looked over there, she's come round, she's scraped at all my stuff.
You help it.
Hi, Mum. Now what's she doing? She's like, I know there's a new tent on the way. I'm going to destroy this. Wow! But that's not what you want. She never plays with that.
Rammed in the corner of the tent and she was like, I want it.
She never plays with it
I
though.
think it's because
Look how damn cute she is.
she's having a bit of a tantrum, to be fair.
Is that yours, Dixie?
Yeah, it's my playful tantrum, Mummy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Someone's in a happy mood this morning. Do you still want Angry Bird?
I'll lean down to look for it and see what she does. Legs. Right, let's see. Ugh.
You gonna help Mummy, Dixie? Help. Oh, Dixie, 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 help Mummy. Dixie, hey, help Mummy.
What about this one?
Something's in my face.
Right.
No, I got ball fluff in my face. What are you doing to me, man?
It's still there.
Yeah, get off me, man! I've still got an appendage, Mummy.
Yes, you do.
Yeah. Are you happy now?
Oh yeah.
She's beautiful. I love it when the sun catches her hair because, like, you can see that she has got so much brown tone in her fur.
Yeah. This isn't very comfortable, Pickle.
But I'm having fun.
Yeah.
And so's Alba.
Yeah. Is that yours now? Wow. What is it?
It's holding on like Mufasa and Scar.
Yeah.
Aww.
That was beautiful. Here you go.
Gorgeous. That is wild.
Hi.
Well, the microwave replacement has arrived. Only this time, it's not in an outer box. Everybody knows what we bought now. And this box is quite damaged. We're hoping the polystyrene within it has protected it.
I have to say, when I moved it, and it tilted a tiny bit, I'm in the sun, and it tilted a tiny bit, something inside of it clattered, and the glass turntable
Is on the side.
Yeah, so the only thing I can think is that it's the plastic bit that the turntable sits on that was,
Hopefully.
yeah, but we're gonna find out.
So we'll flip the camera around and we'll see what happens. So, we can't see it, babe.
I know, that's tilted. So, first up,
Numero uno.
this damage here.
There's some underneath as well.
I know. And then,
Numero dos.
all the way down here, this is obviously a massive hole.
You can see underneath as well.
Yeah, so not got the highest of hopes that it's going to be intact in there.
No.
Considering the other one, when the other one arrived, both boxes were in immaculate condition and the microwave was broken. Now, this box is clearly not in immaculate condition. It's not even in substandard condition. It's like
You're about to land
shit.
on... What shit?
The box.
Oh, you're about to land on bleach wipes.
I'm not letting it go.
Oh.
I'm doing what they told me to do and trying to open it this side up.
Yeah, apparently
I
you
think it's probably not a good idea to be honest.
you need to open it from the bottom and lift it
Oh my God.
up. Not try and lift...
Sellotape on this side is not even attached.
Not even lift... lift the microwave out. Lift the box up. Which we didn't realise last time. But then we had to pull it out of the big box anyway.
Yeah. Right, let's see how well this works, shall we? I don't reckon that's going to be very successful. I didn't think it would be. See, how's that supposed to work?
Why?
It actually tells you to do it, and like it doesn't work. Hang on.
Have you broke all the seals?
Yeah. I don't think it helps it because it's got handles. It's then hooking it on itself. Fuck it.
Yeah, thanks, babe.
What?
I've now got to cut that out.
I've sworn on that before.
How's it looking from above?
Well, the polystyrene's dented and ripped, but I suppose that's to be expected. Let's see what I'm doing now. I'll turn it around. Maybe if I... that, and then maybe...
You're dragging my yarn everywhere.
I don't understand, seriously do not understand how they can say that that works.
What's stopping it?
I don't know. You've got to pull this one out and the other one out as well then.
Probably.
I would have thought that it would have like just made it move. Yeah, okay, there we go now. No, it's not. This is so difficult. I would do it the other way next time.
Do you remember the struggle it was last time?
Oh my goodness. If this needs to be repackaged and sent back, I'm not going to be happy. Right, is this actually completely encased or is that two separate?
Well, that looks okay. Considering a lot of foods that we've been eating through this lockdown has been like microwave needed, we're now pretty much coming to the end of lockdown.
That really scared me then.
It did.
Joking me.
Well, it's not rocking, the back's not busted in. The back is a different colour. Because it was silver last time. Yeah.
Right.
Believe me, I had enough.
What's the bottom look like?
Perfect.
Cool.
How mad is that? The box is completely trashed. The microwave survives. Yet the other one, 2 boxes were completely...
Mum said that she thought that might have been the case. It's alright, it's just this flapping around. Right.
Let's now see if it makes the awful noise it did last time. Nah.
Do I need to put that in it to make it go? It'll be alright. Oh look!
Microwave!
Yay!
Whoop diddy whoop whoop whoop!
Do we have a microwave? Is your bum going? Yay!
Microwave!
Woohoo!
I don't know what that means, but you're excited, so am I.
Yay!
Yay!
Wow! You're adorable.
I know.
You do, don't you?
So, when the stamps arrived yesterday, that I showed you, they weren't all there. Some have arrived today, and it's our first day cover, our first day cover that we've got our names on. Like all of our other first day covers have got somebody else's name on because we've bought them from somebody else. And now we've got our very own, but they give an information booklet stating about the fact that they sell all these other things that I didn't know about.
Which is bad news.
It is very bad news. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you our first day cover. Look at it. How cool is this? And then obviously the cancellation is this with the anniversary dates of when the Second World War was and the date that these got issued, and it's got it across all the stamps. And if you've seen a vlog a few days ago, I didn't realise, but this one here and this one here, I actually put those pictures in our vlog but they were the original ones that were in black and white. Little fun fact for you. And here's our second ever first day cover. Boom. And then there's these ones, which are the same as the other one, but it's got this as the cancellation. It's Talent's House, which I believe is a place linked to Royal Mail that sells stamps. So, all day, there's been this really high-pitched noise going.
Oh, higher than that even.
But it was like really, really, really high-pitched, but very quiet.
Yeah.
And I've been saying for hours, can you hear that noise? And so he's been like, no, no, no. And then this evening I was like, are you sure you really can't hear that noise? And she's like, oh, I can hear it a little bit actually now. And then a few hours later, she's like, yeah, that's really annoying. I was like, I know. I've been listening to it all day.
And then, like, a minute ago, I could hear it, like, continually, and it was really bad. And I was just like...
And I was just like, it's not my oxygen, is it? Yes. Yes, it was my sodding oxygen. Somewhere in the tubing between...
Like, the nasal part.
Yeah, like the bit that connects here. So this bit, that bit and down goes to the machine, and this bit up comes to me. Somewhere between the bit that's up to me has been making a horrific high-pitched whirling noise all sodding day, which explains why I can hear it and have heard it all day.
Heard it.
Heard it.
Heard it.
You heard it here.
Oh, there yours now. This is my pillow. And
Hot.
this is my tray.
So we've changed my face.
Can't hear it anymore.
The noise is gone. Literally, it's been driving me insane, and I've not shut up about it all day.
All day.
Didn't think that it might have been my face. So if you're, excuse me, I'm on the camera.
Yeah, but there's someone inside.
Car. So if you're an oxygen wearer and you hear a high pitched noise, no thank you. Do you want the collar? Exactly. Oh, she's brought the big football over.
Can't pick it up.
There you go, Mum. So yeah, if you're an oxygen wearer and you hear a high-pitched whirling noise, check out your oxygen tube. Thanks, baby girl.
It rolled away, Mummy.
It did. You're cute.
I tried so hard.
Because there's a very high chance then that it's your face. And on that note, thanks for coming on a squeaky day with us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
oh, 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 oh.